front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching one of your apps to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that with Trick's navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Then click on the icon of an app available at the top and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners. Pick a perfect size and then let go. If you wish to turn your app into a bubble, click on Home button, and then to access it, tap on the bubble. If you want to use more pop-up view options, click on this line at the top and try all of them. For example, those 2 arrows pointing at each other also can turn your window into a bubble. If you wish to, you can even click on this little icon with 2 rectangles, select a second app and turn your pop-up view into split screen view. Lastly, if you wish to close your window, you can always do that by swiping it in the background or by clicking on this X after tapping on the line. You can even hold your bubble and drag it to remove section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!